Inalala nga ni Franco Laurel ang kanyang pumanaw na tito. Sa naging mensahe ni Franco, narito ang kanyang masidhing pagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw ng minamahal ng tito na si Kokoy Laurel. My dearest Tito Kokoy, you have touched so many lives, not just with your incredible artistry, but with your kindness, your generosity, and your beautiful spirit. You had a gift for making everyone feel special, seen and heard. Your presence lit up every room, and your smile had the power to lift even the heaviest hearts. Your hugs meant the world to so many of us. I will forever treasure the moments we shared. You were a true inspiration. One of the reasons I am the artist I am today. I still remember the first time I watched you on stage. The King and I, Pippin West Side Story Camelot, and so many more. You brought magic to every performance. I'll never forget those childhood days at the old house in Shaw with my mom when you would ask me to sing. I remember so clearly how you once told me, when you sing, think of it like the waves in the ocean. Let it flow. Those words stayed with me and helped shape not only how I sing, but who I am as an artist. Thank you, Tito Kokoy, for being so loving and kind to me and my family. Your love and light will always live in my heart. I know you're now singing and dancing, your heart out in heaven. Rest in God's loving arms. I love you forever. Tito Kokoy. Kitang-kita ang pagmamahal bilang pamangkin ni Franco Laurel sa kanyang tito Kokoy. Sa katunayan, si Franco ang isa sa kasama ni Kokoy Laurel nang dumalaw ito noong April nang pumanaw si Nora Honor sa wake nito. At isa sa nakaalalay kay Kokoy Laurel ay ang kanyang mahal na pamangkin na si Franco. Kaya naman, napakasidhi at makabagdamdamin ang mensahe nitong si Franco Laurel para sa kanyang tito na tila hindi lamang tito kundi itinuri na rin niyang parang ama. Well, yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.